Ultrasonic cleaning is a state-of-the-art cleaning process that utilizes high-frequency sound waves to clean instead of the toxic chemicals used in conventional chem cleans. Significant buildup is visible in the valve ports as well as scaling and calcium deposits on the slide tubes. Such deposits cause valves and slides to stick, as well as red rock, which causes cracks and holes in the metal, eventually requiring repair. As hard deposits are pulverized by the ultrasonics, you can see it clouding up the solution. The sound waves are generated at 40,000 hertz, causing a process called cavitation. Cavitation is the rapid expansion and contraction of molecules in the solution, which, upon collapse, create a vacuum, bombarding the surface with millions of micro-explosions. After the cycle is complete, the slides are perfectly clean, down to the bare metal, having removed all the hard deposits, grease, and other debris. Done regularly, this process dramatically improves and prolongs the life of your valuable instrument. This service is available for all brass instruments here at the shop. Please visit our website for pricing and information.